So how does St. Clair Systems deal with viscosity issues? Well, dealing with the viscosity issue is the easy part. Deciding whether or not you should is where it becomes more difficult. The first thing we'll do here is ask a series of questions about the application to help determine what this issue is actually costing you. We look at things like the cost of your material, your defect rate, your reject rate, and then the labor required to correct this issue. From there, we will use our sizing models to kind of give you an idea what the ROI and the payback is to correct this issue. Finally, if we decide that it's worth pursuing and working together, we'll move through our results process where we'll design the system that you need. We'll install that system, we'll train your operators on your system, and then finally, and most importantly, is we'll optimize that system to ensure that you're getting the quality results you need.